different circles. Different circles means we are telling about different radius like that. Okay. So if you are getting two different circles, means different radius circles. One is this one, another is this one. Two different radius circles. What are the different ways of drawing that two circles? How we can draw? See, one method is draw the bigger circle and draw the smaller circle inside. This is one method. Okay. Then another method is, another one is, draw the bigger circle like this, draw the inner circle like this, just touches the inner part. Here fully inside, this is just touches the inside. Okay, touches inside. 3 I can draw, bigger circle is like this, smaller circle intersect at 2 points. Fourth way is, bigger circle is like this, outer circle touches outside. Touches outside. Fifth way is, bigger circle is like this, smaller circle is like this, not at all intersect. These are the 5 different ways of drawing two different circles in a plane. What is the first one? One circle is completely inside. One circle is touching inside. One circle, first circle and second circle intersecting at 2 points. First circle and second circle touching outside. First circle and second circle having no intersection at all. Okay, so these are the 5 different ways of representing two different circles in a plane. Now we are going to study about the common tangent. You know what is meant by tangent you studied. Now we are going to study common tangent. What is meant by common? Common for both or common for 3. Okay. So common tangent means it is a tangent for the first circle as well as it is a tangent for the second circle. Common tangent means it is common for both. So if you get a figure like this, how many common tangents we can draw? Common tangent means if we draw a tangent for the first circle, it will be a tangent for the second circle also. So, if I draw a tangent for the inner circle like this, it will cut the first circle. So, it is not a tangent. So, in the first figure, we can draw 0 number of common tangent. No common tangent. Second figure, both the circles touching here. Both the circles touching here. So, if I draw a tangent here, it is a tangent for the bigger one and it is a tangent for the smaller one. Okay. So, in this case, we can draw one tangent. This case, both are intersecting here and here. So, these are our 2 points. So, if I draw a tangent like this, so if I draw a tangent like this, see the subtangent is touching here means it is tangent for the bigger one, touching here means it is tangent for the smaller one. So this particular tangent is common for both. In the same way, I can draw a tangent here like this. It is touching here, touching here. So how many tangents we got? 2 tangents. 2 common tangents. Fourth figure, touching externally. This is touching internally. This is touching externally, touching outside the circle. So, for this one, I can draw a tangent like this. I can draw a tangent like this. Even I can draw a tangent here. See? This is the touching point. Through the touching point we can draw. So there will be how many common tangents? 3 common tangents. For the fourth figure, see, I can draw like this 1. I can draw like this 2. Then see position. I can draw like this 3. I can draw like this 4. How many tangents we can draw? 4. Okay, so these figures you have to keep in mind. If the circles are like this, 0 common tangent. If the circles are like this, 1 common tangent. If the circles are like this, 2 common tangents. If the circles are like this, 3 common tangents. If the circles are like this, 4 common tangents. Everything you have to take down in the notebook. Draw the figures neatly and write the number of common tangents also.